get my life sorted out and nothing's going to happen. Please, if you can reach an alcoholic clinic. I've been drinking for 3 months, solid, no more. Can't suffer anymore. Every minute, yeah, last month. When did the drinking start? Are you paralysed with fear because you blame yourself? Well, I'll tell you what we're going to do today, right? 1, I promise you she'll get the best help. 2, nobody's going to blame you, right? I need to know some facts for what happened when she was 16, where she started drinking. You've got to be honest to me today.
Yeah.
You told my researchers I've never had the closest bond with Leanne.
That's right.
Why?
I just didn't find her. And she was a baby and she didn't feed for me or anything like that. But she got other people in.
You got other people in to feed her?
Yes. She didn't feed for me.
Would she have felt, as she grew, would she have felt like the black sheep of the family? Do you understand that now? You try as you might, it didn't happen between the two.
Yes.
You asked her why she started drinking at 16.